Hello everyone! Welcome back to Pilipinas Simple Life in America. And to this video, my celebration still my birth month celebration continue in Las Vegas. So this is the first night that I went to Las Vegas, or this is my very first time in Las Vegas. So I had so much fun, and me and my friends went to a Bellagio Botanical Garden. Beautiful. So I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video to your friends and family. So please watch until the end and leave a comment below. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. So here's the video. So me and my friends are on the way going to the hotel, Bellagio Hotel and Casino. So this is the way. We took a bus to come here because I'm afraid to drive in the strip because of it's hard to find a parking. So I really want to avoid it. So this is the view over here. This is the strip that we're heading to inside of Bellagio Hotel and Casino. So I was just amazed, the lights and all those people that you can see in the strip. And this is now we're inside the hotel, and they have a botanical garden that I heard that they changed the flowers every month of the spring inside the hotel. It's really beautiful. Me and my friends are enjoying it to look at the lights change color, the flowers, taking pictures. Me and my friend. We just like enjoying, and my friend is taking a picture and I'm taking a video. So it was fun. So it was really fun. I love it, and we enjoy the surrounding of like the water. I have to mute the sounds, guys, because there's some music in it. So it's really beautiful inside this botanical garden, and there's a lot of people that taking picture. The flowers are real flowers that they planted on the ground. But can you imagine, it's inside the hotel, and they plant the real flowers, except the decoration. I believe the decoration up, like they have a bird that has a flower, and that's I guess it's artificial flower that they put in the bird. But most of the flowers inside that's in the ground is real flowers. So isn't that beautiful, guys? So beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoy the video because we enjoy it too. So it was so much fun. Thank you guys for watching. Just enjoy the video, guys. Leave a comment below. with the botanical garden. So now we get out at the street again. We are now heading to water fountain show. So we're looking for the spot that we can hang out and watch the show. So here we are watching the show. Oh my. Wow, it's so really beautiful. Now the water fountain show was done, so we are heading home. So we're heading to the bus stop because we're taking a bus going back home. Hi guys, I just came back from strip, so I'm on our accommodation right now. I just took a shower. It's been a long day for me, drive from Arizona to Las Vegas to continue my birth month. So birth month celebration. So me and my friend what's happening in the strip. This is my really first night in the strip, or first time to see in the Las Vegas strips that you walk. So we walk around. We went to Bellagio. So guys, it's time to take some sleep or take a rest. So we'll see you guys in my next episode, and good night to you all. Update you guys on my second day in Las Vegas as my birth month continues. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Good night. I love you all. Babu.